Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this video going to be very special for all those people who are going for G2 test. Whichever location are you going, watch this video till end. Is going to help you a lot because I'm going to give you a lot of tips to pass your test. So once you are done with the check-in inside the test center, you have to come into the car and wait for the examiner to come to you. Once examiner will come, he will ask you to roll down your window. So make sure that your car has to be on. So you will roll down your window. They will ask you license details, so you have to show them your license. They will ask your name and date of birth, and after that they will say we want to inspect the car. So you will tell them, okay, do the inspection. So they will go at the front, they will say give left signal, give right signal. They will go at the back, they will ask you to give left signal, right signal, and they will ask you to apply brake and release the brake. They want to see that if the brake lights are working or not, your signals are working or not properly, and then they will ask you to press the horn. So you have to press the horn so that if you want to warn somebody, so you know how to do it. And then they're going to take you for the test. So once you will leave from the parking lot, make sure that you will give a proper signal. A lot of people, they do a mistake, they don't give a proper signal and they don't shift a proper gear. So make sure that you will look once, at least you know that what gear you're driving, so that you will be good to go. So I'm going to move right from this parking lot. So I'm gonna put in drive. I'm looking at my gearbox. So it's in drive now. I'm waiting my seatbelt. I'm good to go for the test. I'm giving right signal. I'm checking my surroundings. So make sure that you will check your surroundings properly and move only when it's safe to do so. In parking lot, we don't go fast. So 15 to 20 is the recommended speed. So make sure that you will not go fast. So we are going straight, so we can go straight from here. Keep checking your surroundings, check your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. So let's say I want to make a right turn from here, so make sure that you will check your blind spot, you must give signal, check your surroundings. So we are going out from the parking lot, so it's our responsibility. We will scan and we will move only when it's safe to do so. So we are in a turning lane, might be sometime examiner will not say you anything. So we are in a turning lane, so give right signal, right side blind spot check. So red light means we have to come to a complete stop. We will count 3 seconds. We will inch forward till that small white line, and same time we will keep scanning, check blind spot as well, and once it's clear, finish your turn. Always take your time. A lot of people, they messed up, they don't wait and they try to go. Speed limit is 40 here. So whatever speed is posted, you have to try to drive according to the limit. It's always better to drive under the limit but not over. So from here it says 50. So we'll go at 50 now. I'm gonna make left turn at traffic light. So whenever you are able to see the broken line on the left hand side, make sure that you will give signal. So from here, give signal, and you must have to check the blind spot. We will check the blind spot and come into your lane. So try to enter into your lane as soon as you can and try to stop before solid white line. Now for left turn, a lot of people, they make mistake. They don't watch for oncoming traffic a lot. They're paying attention to the right and left traffic. So whenever you're making left turn, your concern has to be the oncoming traffic. And if somebody's crossing on the left hand side, so check your left side blind spot before turn and turn into your lane. So we will turn into the first lane on the left hand side, we will speed up, and then we have to do the lane change to the right when it's safe to do so. So always take your time to do a lane change. If you feel that it's not safe, don't try to attempt. A lot of people, they try to do lane change right away and they get failed. Always speed up first, have a good control, and then do the lane change. Now from this traffic light, we're going to go straight, and whenever you stop behind any vehicle, make sure that you will keep 1 car distance. So scan intersection both sides. Head movements are very important. After passing intersection, make sure that you will check into your rear view mirror. And keep going. We always have to look far what's happening, and then we will make decision accordingly. So now it's an uphill, we need force here, so we will push little gas. So it might be examiner will say you to do a lane change. So do it only when it's safe to do so. Don't get panicked, always take your time. If you're able to do it, then do it. So mirror, signal, blind spot, and after that you will move your hands. Don't get panic. As I told you, always take your time. Do it only when it's safe to do so. So it's a downhill. I will cover my brake. Now I'm gonna make left turn. So left signal on in advance. Left side blind spot check. So no oncoming traffic. We can turn into our lane. So here in this area there is no speed posted. So that means I can drive at 50. So if there is no speed posted, you can drive at 50. Keep checking your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. Before brake, must check your rear view mirror. So I'm gonna make right turn from here, come to a complete stop. So this stop sign is only for us. So it's our responsibility that we have to stop, we have to watch what's happening, and we will go when it's safe to do so. Always take your time. A lot of people, they do a mistake here. They don't stop properly, or they try to go so quick. Always take your time. Now this stop sign, we're gonna make a right turn. So right signal on, right side blind spot check. So it's a stop all way. So stop all way means whoever will come first, they will go first. So we came first, we're gonna check our blind spot again, and we're gonna finish our turn. If there is a car parked or some construction is going on or anything, stay away from them. Don't pass them so close. Always keep distance from them. If there is any car parked, like there is a vehicle parked, so I will stay away from them. So don't drive all the way to the left here. No, into the center. Before brake, must check your rear view mirror so that the examiner can see that you're moving your head. So we're gonna make a right turn from here and bring your car a little bit to the right, complete stop. Now we can inch forward till the small white line, because this stop sign is only for us. So we have to stop. Other people, they're not gonna stop. So it's our responsibility that we will scan and we will move only when it's safe to do so. So why we have to check the blind spot here on the right hand side? So might be when we are checking on the left hand side and there is a e-bike or e-scooter on the right hand side, so we can see them. Once it's clear, finish your turn. 50 is the limit. So whenever you will make a left turn, right turn, the first sign gonna come is a speed sign. Now again, it's a hill coming up, so we need a little bit more force. And if examiner will ask you to do the lane change, make sure that you will maintain your speed and then you will do the lane change, and mirror, signal, blind spot, and then do the lane change. Don't get panicked. If you're not able to do the lane change, don't do it. Especially when you're going downhill. Your foot has to be on the brake. So mirror, signal, blind spot, we will do the lane change to the right. Because it's a downhill, your speed gonna go up automatically, so we have to make sure that we will cover our brakes so that we will not lose control. So light is red, I'm looking far, and I will control my speed accordingly. So whenever we will stop behind any vehicle, we have to make sure that we will keep 1 car distance, and we're gonna scan intersection both side, and we will check our rear view mirror as well. Keep looking far so that you can make a good decision. If somebody is applying brake in front of you or they are stopping their vehicle, so pay attention to them. So our focus has to be a vehicle in front of us, what they're doing, and we will take action accordingly. Now I can see the light is turning yellow, so I will come to a complete stop here. I'm gonna make a right turn, so right signal on, and now there is a guy standing, he's not moving. I will watch his movements and then I will inch forward, check my blind spot as well, and now it's clear and I can finish my turn. Take your time, always take your time. Communicate with other people. If somebody is standing to cross, always try to communicate with them. So there is no speed posted, we will drive at 50, but there's a guy in front of me, he's giving signal, so it's a single lane, I have to stay away from him, and we will move if there is enough space for us. Yeah, so there is a good space, we can pass him. So we're gonna make left turn from here, so left signal on, stay near to the yellow line, and there is no oncoming traffic. We will check left side blind spot and turn into the parking lot. we're gonna make right turn. So right side blind spot check, and we will do the parking on right hand side. So for front parking on right hand side, make sure that you will take your car away from the parking, and then you will try to do the park on the right hand side, blind spot check, and come into the box. That's how you will drive during your test, and I can assure you that you can pass your test at first attempt. I hope you will like the video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.